Verify your identity. At Fiverr, they constantly do their best to keep their community safe for everyone. This is why they routinely ask sellers to verify their identity with an official government identity document or national ID. So, how can we do that? So, let's see. First of all, we have to need on click verify. Verify your information. Then the right side you see verify option. Then after click on verify, we are coming the interface. Here some info in verification process how important is showing. Now read this carefully and click on as part of my primary job or profession. Then here the step is your business registered. So click on here no. All our steps are most important for ID verification, but click on no and click on next. Then the verify your phone number, it's already completion. Now click on add your personal information. Then select on continue. Then here the some information to help us. Here click on begin verifying. Now click on select. Then here all the Fiverr terms are here for ID verification. So read this carefully and before the next step you have to read it carefully. So some of info are most important. So after reading this, I click on continue. Now here the personal information dialog box is coming. Here you have to need declare on first name, which is the same of your ID. Now typing here the last name, after last name blur this section because of it's the case of privacy policy. So now I submit my email here. Submit your email which is already connected on your Fiverr account. Now the next step, the phone number I have been submitted here. After submit that, carefully you have to need to do the address fill up. So now fill the address box. Here, the address section, you have to fill in your ID, backside of your ID, which is already provided here. So in the case of same things, we have provide here, and we have to need the properly declare all the address. All are providing the here. Okay, then now click on continue. Then select here national ID and select here continue on another device. Here you will see two options, but always try to select continue on another device option. It's more helpful for submitting here clear ID front side and back side. So now scan it on your phone. Then after scan it, you have to need submitting the front side and back side of your national ID, and when it is completed, then you have to need face verification. So all of a step when you have been completed, then the final stage when you are coming, then it will be showing here. Congratulations, you are done. Thanks for verifying your identity. Then you have to need to click on done. Then everything is okay. Thank you.